Okie dokie, number 4 then. Let's have a look at this. It's y equals 5 over 3x minus 1 brackets times 3x plus 1. Both of these are linear, aren't they? So if we just look at the linear case, here it is here. Something over a linear times a linear is equal to a over the first linear plus b over the second linear term. So let's write that down then. That's equal to a over the first linear 1, 3x minus 1, plus b over the second linear bracket, 3x plus 1. There we go. That's what we want. Now we cross multiply or multiply through both sides by the denominator. So let's put that down there. We invoked case, we're using case 1 here, so I better put that down for reference. Multiply by the denominator both sides then. Times in by this on the left will leave 5. Times in by that on the right will give us a times the 3x plus 1. It's just as though it's just akin to cross multiplying. Plus b times the 3x minus 1, yeah? There we go. That's what we got. So now, again, convenient values can be put in, can't they? This will be 0 here. This one will be 0 when x is a third. Because 3/3 are 1. 1 take 1 is 0. This will be 0 when x is minus a third. Because 3 times minus a third is minus 1 plus 1, and that's 0. So straight away then, let's put the third in. Try that one. We get 5 equals, put in a third, and you get 3 times a third plus 1. 3/3 are 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 2 lots of a, and this will go to 0. 3/3 are 1, 1 take 1 is 0, 0 times b is 0. So that tells us then that a equals 5 over 2. There we go. Put in the other one then, that we said just a moment ago. X equals minus 1/3. We've got 5 here, which is our constant value, equals a. Minus 1/3 times 3 is minus 1, plus 1 is 0. 0 times a is 0. That's why we're putting in the value. And then minus a third times 3 is minus 1. Take another one is minus 2b. Plus and minus is a minus. So we can make that a minus. Yeah, that's a minus there. So we end up divide by minus 2 both sides and read from right to left as we write. B equals 5 over minus 2. So b is equal to minus 5. Bring the minus up the top. Over 2. There we go. That's nice. So then, what have we got? We've got 5 over 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 1 is equal to a, which is 5 over 2. 5 over 2, like so. 3 minus 1 plus b, which is minus 5 over 2 lots of 3x plus 1. The reason, as I said in the previous question, I could drop the 2 down here instead of writing 5 over 2 here. I could write 5 over 2 was because of this property here. If I had a half over 3, that's a sixth. Basically, a third of a half is a sixth. It's just as though this little chappie that was in that position can jump down to be with the 3. 2 3s make 6. So if it was 5 over 2, which it should be here, the 2 that's underneath on top jumps down to ground level here underneath. So it drops down there, just as that 2 dropped down to be with the 3. So the 2 here, in the same structure, the same form or pattern happens, comes down and you can put it here, 2 lots of. Yeah? 2 lots of. That's it. There's the answer. So that's number 4 done. Great. Let's go on to the next one then.